I've been working on printables that have to do with translations, in particular, kids' printables, where we have your English version and as well as, like in this case, a Spanish version. Now, I am not fluent in any other language, and I'm not bilingual or trilingual or of any of that sort. But I do know that there are tools out there like Canva that does have it possible, or does have things made possible, where we can take and do some translation on what we have as our native tongue or our native language, which my native language is English. So I just wanted to share with you really quick what we do here. Before I do that, I want to go ahead and turn on my scribe so that way we can start capturing the step-by-step PDF that I will be including with this training on my website, theprintableguy.com. So as I've said, we are going to look to translate some of these basic words here, which is just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, and 10 into Spanish. So the easiest way that I found to do that in Canva is to highlight those, and then you'll get this little bar up here, where you have your magic right group, and then where you can duplicate or you can delete it, or the little dots of more. We call that the little hamburger. If you scroll on down here, you can go to translate text, and it'll bring up this little dialog box here. You can say where it says translate to, and then you select your language, and then I'm just going to type in Spanish. And then from there, I'm going to hit translate down at the bottom, and it's going to go through the little series, and you can see we have our translation of that text into Spanish. We have our English version here on the left, and then on the right, we have the Spanish version. Now, I am not 100% sure of the overall accuracy. I definitely would want to go ahead and do some due diligence to make sure that translation is correct. I would imagine it probably is, but as we get into bigger sentences or phrases, I would definitely ask that you do some due diligence on the translation portion of those words and stuff. So anyways, I just wanted to show you how you can easily translate and create your printables in both a English version as well as in a Spanish version or any other type of language you wish to do, and that would increase your audience of to purchase your printables or your KDP books. And that's all I have. I hope you have a great day, and I will speak to you again very, very soon.